So a lot of the times I really connect with my behavioral students, the ones that are, talking back sometimes, or they call defiant. I just say they need more love, right? Sometimes I truly believe that students are going through a lot and we truly don't know because they haven't opened up to a trusted adult. The Pinacati Middle School culture is very different than other middle schools. We are the only middle school in our district. Students are coming from different elementary schools and gathering together for the first time and learning about middle school for the first time in the 7th grade. A lot of middle school students are going through an emotional roller coaster. They are in a phase where they are figuring out who they are, who they want to be, exploring that identity.
She understands the needs at the middle school level. It's a lot of social peer pressure. They want to be heard, right? And they want to be validated. But at the same time, she's there to teach them accountability, give them coping mechanisms to be able to handle their issues in a way that's conducive to a safe environment.
I was going through friendship issues and I couldn't really do my work. I was just not focused on school. And she helped me by bringing ideas, how to help me, and she would pull me out.
I'm a huge believer in restorative practices. For 95% of the time, students are open to sit down and talk to each other. Your point of view is different than your point of view, and we're gonna come to an agreement where the truth needs to come out. And as a student, you're growing up too, and you're gonna make mistakes, and what's really important is that you own up to them.
She does go to classrooms sometimes, and she does do presentations. And then what I do learn from is to be kind to others and never judge them by book by cover, because you can never know what they're going through, and you just don't want to add on top of what they're going through,
And they come to that position where they apologize to each other, and they were actually crying by the end. And I was like, I had told them in the beginning, you guys might cry in the beginning at the end of this, and they were like, no, we're not. And I was like, I told you so.
It's just so transparent, and it transforms the kids to want to do better. And that's apparent. Since she's been here, the culture has been shifting.
You just focus on you and focus on school and all that, then you'll probably be able to succeed in life. And
I'm really grateful that Ms. Guzman has helped me through that, getting my attendance, coming to school more. I brought out another version of myself thanks to her.
I think being a counselor and having access to a counselor is really important because I get to save a life. I get to plant those little seeds of you hope. Honey, your life ain't gonna be the same as it is right now. We have control in life to make life better, right? Life came full circle for me because now I get to serve the community that once served me. I truly, truly know what's going on here because I was once in their shoes.